There's something about this deep blue. You might want to go to the Bahati Life website and pick up one of her Deep Waters candles if you are into candle and ritual magic and are looking to take this start and stop energy, take this, what was disorienting energy, and channel it and open the channels. Carefully, slowly, intentionally, mindfully opening the channels for that release to flow into. This horse, I'm not going to read on it. I'm getting Sagittarius, that might be relevant to you. I'm getting High Priestess with the moon on the third eye. I'm getting Chariot. I'm just getting move forward. So moving